welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here with another new exciting project, Kalpataru Vivant, which is located at JVLR Mumbai. And this lifestyle community brought to you by the Kalpataru Group, and this project offers you thoughtfully designed apartments, excellent connectivity and future-ready living space which is spread across a freehold land parcel. In this video, we are going to discuss project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of this project. So this project is spread across 6.2 acres of land parcel which comes with a total 2 towers. Northridge, which comes with an elevation of 2 basement plus ground plus 3 podium plus 19 floors, and Southridge, which comes with an elevation of 3 basement plus ground plus 1 podium plus 21 floors. Each apartment is thoughtfully planned with the deck options, ensuring enhanced comfort, lifestyle convenience and privacy. Designed for modern urban living, Kalpataru Vivant delivers a refined and well-balanced living experience. And if we talk about the location advantages, so this project gives you excellent connectivity. Like, project is located on JVLR, one of the most upcoming metro station is just 2 minutes away, Western Express Highway is just 5 minutes away, Nesco is just 10 minutes away, Hub Mall is just 10 minutes away, and Oberoi School is just 5 minutes away. You also get close proximity to Western and Eastern Express highways, connectivity to BKC, Andheri, Powai, Goregaon and RA. Near top school, hospitals, corporate offices and malls. Also you get metro access, airport reach and commercial hubs nearby. And talking about the amenities, this project offers you world-class lifestyle amenities such as swimming pool, gym, multi-purpose hall, yoga deck, barbecue area, kids play area and much more. And if we talk about pricing and configuration, 1 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 435 square feet, price starting from 1.55 crore all inclusive. The 2 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 616 square feet, price starting from 2.25 crore all inclusive. 3 BHK with a deck carpet area starting from 881 square feet, price starting from 3.35 crore onwards, and the carpet area starting from 911 square feet, price starting from 3.50 crore all inclusive. Also, this project offers you jodi options like 1+1 apartment with a carpet area starting from 870 square feet, price starting from 3.06 crore, 2+2 apartment with a carpet area starting from 1234 square feet, price starting from 4.5 crore all inclusive, and the 2+3 apartment with a carpet area starting from 1750 square feet, price starting from 8 crore all inclusive. And now let's take a look at the sample flat. So this is the 3 BHK sample flat of Kalpataru Vivant. As you step inside, you get this cute little foyer area, and now let's take a look at this living room. So this is the living room which comes with an attached deck, and also it looks really bright, airy and spacious. Now right next to this living room, you can see the dining area over here which is perfect for 6 to 8 members. This dining area sits right next to the kitchen, making the whole space feel seamless and convenient. It's perfectly placed for easy serving and day-to-day family meals. Moving forward, let me show you the first bedroom. So this is your first master bedroom which comes with an attached washroom. Also you get here the floor to ceiling height windows which comes with the safety railings. And also there is enough space for your bed and for the side table. Also you get here the wardrobe space. Overall, this master bedroom one looks really elegant and spacious. Now let's go to the kitchen. Also in this kitchen, you get the 2 counters like the dry area and the wet area. And also you get here the utility space which is perfect for your washing machine or for the extra storage. Also you get here the large window which is perfect for natural light and for the cross ventilation. And here is the space for your refrigerator. And now let's take a look at the second bedroom. So this is the second bedroom which looks really very spacious. You can customize it for your kids, and you get here this large floor to ceiling height windows which gives you really nice natural light and the proper ventilation. You also have the TV unit over here, and also you get here the wardrobe space. And now let me show you the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom which comes with an attached washroom. Also you get here the wardrobe space, and look at the space, how spacious it looks. Also this one also comes with an attached floor to ceiling height window. This master washroom comes with a premium fittings, a spacious shower area and a high quality tiles. The overall look is modern and elegant perfect for someone who likes a premium bathroom experience. The layout of this master bedroom easily fits a king-size bed and still leaves a space for the side table and a sitting corner. Overall, this master bedroom feels really very luxurious. You also get here the large window, perfect for the natural light and for the cross ventilation. You also get here the Mumbai skyline view. So if you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more luxury property updates.